Hello everyone, today I make beef and pork rolls. These are special rolls because we wrap in betel leaves. This leaves has many benefits. Stick around, I will show you how. Welcome to Saigoncook Travel. I am Saigoncook. On this channel, I share with you everything I know. So please subscribe to show you your support and share my videos. Thank you. I have a full recipe written in the description box below. I have 300 gram beef and pork here. I use half and half because I want the fat of the pork to mingle with the beef to make the rolls more flavorful. So beside that we have salt, pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, sugar, salt, black pepper, and garlic, ginger, shallots. You notice that I have a homemade seasoning sauce that I cook by sauteing garlic, ginger, shallot, and I add stalks and soy sauce and oyster sauce and cook down until it thickens. And I use it to season the rolls, the meat mixture. Now I invited you to come with me to the garden. I grow these betel leaves in this pot, and they are good size now, so it's time to make the rolls. These recipes are forever from my country, and everyone loves these rolls. Every time you offer this to anyone, they love it. So I marinated the meat after mixing. I put in the fridge to for all the flavors develop. Now today I take it out and to make them the rolls uniform, I divide them just by using my spoon and roughly divide it. Now let's roll. For the big leaf, I use one. Notice that I left the stem. You will see why I left the stem, because I use this to pop through the roll to secure the roll. Can you see? The roll are secure because of the stem stick into the roll itself. This is a very clever way to make the roll stand by itself. It don't ravel. Let's do another one. See, I pick it up for you to see. Pop this, make a hole in the roll, and the stem will keep the leaves rolled and not ravel any time soon. For the smaller leaf, I combine two leaves together. I want all my rolls are the same size, so that's why I combine the two leaves to make one big leaf. And after I roll, you will see they are pretty much the same size. Again, when go to the end like this, I use the stem to pop the hole and push the stem in to keep the rolls secured. Okay, so you got this, and continue making until you have no more meat left. And for these rolls, the best flavor is grilled them over charcoal. So I burn some wood, chips wood, and while I wait for it to make cold, I brush the rolls with oil. You can use fat, it will be more flavorful. So when the fire die down, you don't put on the big fire. The roll will be burned. So you see, no more fire, and I make a flip, and now on the other side I brush more oil onto them. So it don't take long because the rolls are small, so it takes few minutes to get it cooked, and that's it. Remove, and now we are inside plating. I will eat this with shrimps, steamed shrimps, vegetables, and rice noodles, and dip in fish sauce dip. You can just pick up just one like this and dip, or you can eat this by itself because it's very flavorful. We already marinate the mixture earlier, so they are good by themselves, or I want to eat with noodles and vegetables to complement the aroma and flavors and make into a meal. The fish sauce dip, I have the recipe for you. If you want to make, you will be delighted because that is my family recipe. I invite you to taste them with me. I hope you like my video and you will give a shot and let me know how it goes. I thank you for watching my videos and visiting me. I hope you come back soon. I have many other videos. Hopefully they are helpful to you. Have a good day. Bye bye.